So in previous class we have studied about memory, what is memory and types of memory. Again in that we have primary memory, under that we have seen about RAM and ROM, right? So now today we will discuss about secondary memory. So which are these secondary memories? Just have a look on that. Hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc and pen drive. These are what? Some types of the or some of the examples for secondary memory. Yes? So which are the secondary memories? Can you just revise it? So Suman Soni, tell me. Yes, what are the secondary memories? Tell me some of examples which is there on your screen. Is it visible? Then tell me which all secondary memories are there on the screen now? Yes, Ashok, tell me. Hard disk. Yes. So hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc and pen drive. These are some of the secondary memories which we will be studying. Yes? Now we will see what is this secondary memory. Okay. We have seen primary memory, under that RAM and ROM. Yes? And differences between RAM and ROM. Now we will see secondary memory. So here you can see secondary memory is also termed as external memory, backup memory and auxiliary memory. And it refers to various storage media on which computer can store data and programs. So secondary memory is also called as auxiliary memory, external memory and backup memory. So we just learnt about computer memory, right? Which has limited storage capacity. There is what limitation in storing of the datas. But this secondary memory, it stores various storage. It stores large amount of datas. In order to store datas permanently, you need to use which kind of memory? You need to use secondary memory. And even it is also called as storage memory. So here second point says that the secondary storage media can be fixed or removed. So secondary storage memory is also fixed or removable. It is also fixed in CPU or it can be removed also. Next, what it says, third point, secondary device or secondary storage device can store large amount of data permanently on device inside the computer or outside the computer, right? So this secondary memory is called external memory, backup memory and auxiliary memory, and it stores large amount of data in it compared to primary memory. And this storage device can be the permanent. It stores data inside the computer, even the outside the computer. Outside in the sense we have many devices where we can store the data in that particular memories. Okay. Now Here some of the secondary storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive or flash drive, and memory card. These are some of the examples for what? Storage devices, or we can say secondary storage devices. Now let us study one by one what these all memories are and what the function of these memories, what it does and how we can store them. Okay. So what is the secondary storage device? Can you just revise it? Students?
Pen drive, flash drive, memory card.
Very good. So what does secondary memory do? What it does? It stores large amount of data. What it does?
Which memory?
Secondary memory.
Secondary memory. Hard disk,
Okay. Now we will see what these memories are. So secondary storage device can store large amount of data permanently on inside the device and even outside the device. So let us now discuss some of the secondary storage devices. First is hard disk secondary storage device. So what is the first secondary storage device?
hard disk,
Hard disk. Very good.
hard
Now let us see what this hard disk does. So this is what the hard disk structure. In this manner it looks like this is called hard disk. This is called hard disk. Then what it does? Yes. So it is secondary storage device found inside the computer. So the secondary hard disk is also called as what? It is called secondary storage device and it is found inside the computer. The main function of the hard disk is to store computer data forever. So this hard disk, what it does, it stores the data for forever. Means permanently that data can be stored in this hard disk. Next is these hard disks also called as permanent storage. Why it is called as permanent storage? Because it is storing the data for forever. We cannot erase them. Right? So that is why hard disks are called as permanent storage. Next is these data can be many types such as personal files, documents, software, operating system, any kind of data, any type of data like personal files, it may be the documents or it may be operating system, software, any kind of data, it can be stored for forever in hard disk secondary storage device. Did you all understand what is mean by hard disk? What it does in computer? Did you all get? Yeah, hard disk is also called as what? Permanent storage device. Why it is called as a permanent storage device? Because it stores data for forever. Can you see that? How it looks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now shall we move to next secondary storage device?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, they have the cycles of memory have
Huh.
sides. Then it is the first it is the heartbeat. Second is the
Write your doubt in chat box. I'm not able to hear. Okay, next we will see the secondary storage device include large storage capacity as compared to primary storage devices. So hard disk is what? It is a secondary storage device and it includes large storage capacity. The capacity is large in secondary storage, that is in hard disk, as compared to the primary storage devices. So next comes compact disk. So which disk? That is compact disk. So this compact disk in short form it is also called as a CD, capital C and capital D. CDs are compact disc. The shape of plastic is circular and one side of circular plastic is coated with a reflecting metal coating, usually aluminium. So this compact disc, only one side it is coated with the reflecting metal and other side is of plastic. Here you can see. This is covered or the coated by the plastic and the other side it is coated by the reflecting metal or it is usually made up of aluminium. Now here you can see the shape of this is circular, right? The shape of this compact disc or the CD is of circular. Almost you all have seen in your home, right? And here this CD can also store lots of datas. This CD can also store lots of datas and they can be easily carried from one place to another. These CDs you can carry with you wherever you want, right? You can easily carry them from one place to another. Now here most of the games and programs that can use on the computer it is available on these CDs. Now the games or the programs, music or any data that can whichever you wanted to use in computer that everything it can be available in this CDs. Now again in CDs we have two types that CDs can be two types. One is CDR. What is this CDR? It is a recordable CD. CDR means recordable CD. And CDRW. CDRW means what? Rewritable CD. So again in CDs we have two types. They are CDR that means recordable CD and CDRW which means rewritable CD. So remember this is what? Compact disk. It is also the secondary storage memory which stores lots of data. Understood? Okay. So which is the next secondary memory? That is DVD. What it means? What is the full form of DVD? DVD means digital versatile disc. DVD means what? Digital versatile disc. Now what is the function of this DVD? DVD is also looking like CD, right? It also looks like CD. But this DVD can store much more data than the CD. This DVD, it is having capacity of storing 6 times more than that CD. So this DVD, what it does, it is having more space in it compared to what? CD. It stores data. It is having the capability of storing 6 times data than that of CDs. And here this DVD is single or double sided. This DVD can be single sided or it can be a double sided. That means here in this DVD is coated with both the side by reflecting metal or sometimes some DVDs have only one side coating of the aluminium and these DVDs are used especially for storing movies, films, games, songs, right? For this all these DVDs are used. So digital versatile disk, that is DVD, it is a secondary storage device which has more capacity of storing what? Data than that of CDs. It has capable of storing 6 times more than that of CD. And this DVD can be a single or double sided. That means one side can be a reflecting metal or both the side can be coated by the reflecting metal. And this DVD stores movies, films, songs, games, everything because it has much amount of space in it compared to what? CD. Did you all understand about DVD?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have seen such kind of DVD, CDs in your home?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. I have. Can I show?
Yes, you can show. Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. You can show me.
Then teacher,
And the remaining two or three, three secondary storage devices are there that we will study in next session. But for time being, you all should remember this secondary storage memories. That is, we have studied about what? Hard disk, CD and DVD. Yes, very good.